Hello everybody, today we are going to discuss about the origin of the name Visayas or Bisaya. So as you can see here in the picture, the map of Philippine Islands. Those red parts or islands are considered the Visayas region or the Central Philippines. And let's get to know first some details about Visayas or Visayans. So this is the Central Philippines or Visayas, composed of region 6, 7, and 8. And here are some details about the Philippines, Visayas Islands, and Sumatra's Sriwihayan Empire. So accordingly, here historians believe that the name Visayas, a group of islands in the central Philippines, was derived from Sriwihaya, or a powerful empire once ruled much of Southeast Asia. Visayan people are believed to be descendants of Sriwihayans who settled in Panay in the 12th century in the declining era of the empire. But in this blog of ours, we will know more, and you will know here that another historian claimed that Visayas was actually a river somewhere in Borneo, from which the name Visayas of the Philippines was derived. Visayas are the central islands of the Philippines archipelago. So Visaya is composed of different languages like Cebuano, Waray, Hiligaynon, Karaya, Bantuanon, and Tausug. So about Panay Island of Visayas, Panay Island alone has many languages like Kinaraya, Hiligaynon, and Aklanon, and Kapisnon. And some parts are also speaking dialect of Suludnon or Bukidnon. So here are some illustrations of ancient Visayans. And according to this picture, these are the Visayas tribes in the Philippines. So let us go to our topic, guys, about the origin of the name Visayas. The origin of the name Visayas or Bisaya. It is said that all 10 datos were called Maharlika, which means noble, or Basya, which means first class in Malay society. In our cultural identity today as Visayans or Bisaya cannot be underestimated because it originates from the identity of the first class Malay nobility in Borneo called Basya. Consistently, the word Maharlika is very real in the Philippines. We have the Maharlika Highway in Luzon and Ati-Atihan Maharlika tribe in Kalibo. And in this account, it is clarified that there really was a people who were considered as Maharlika or first class or Basya or Bisaya in Malay society before. On the other hand, why Basya or Bisaya? Former Vice Governor of the province of Iloilo, Demi P. Sonsa, and editor of the Maragtas magazine, the Journal of Local History and Biography, explains why in 1579, when Governor General Francisco de Sande of the Philippines invaded Brunei, Sultan Saif al-Rihal, or Sultan Lihar in Spanish accounts, escaped to the river Visayas in the province of Milano, near to Saragua, where he summoned all his Visayan and Moro allies The editor concluded, I I shall refer again to this historical fact, but at this point I would like to advance the possibility that the name Visayas came from the river Visayas in Borneo, the home of the Visayan people who later came to the Philippines. Another renowned Ilonggo historian, attorney Rex S. Salvilla, in his book West Visayas Encyclopedia, Volume 1, pleasantly supports this treasured historical fact. On page 101 of his book, he writes, the 10 Marayo or brown datus from Borneo sailed to Panay during the 13th century came from the banks of the Bisaya River. That's why they were called Bisaya. Eventually, the name Visayas was evidently applied to the whole group of islands of central Philippines, hence Visayas. So that's the story, guys, that the name Visayas was actually derived from the river from Borneo that is called Visayas. So that's why the people here in Visayas Islands are called Visayans or Bisaya. So here is a picture of Maharlika tribe or Dumga Makatu in Kalibo, Ati-Atihan, 2005. So according to the author, the Maharlika tribe of Makatu during the Ati-Atihan festival in Kalibo notice carefully the Santo Niño, the dragon, and the human skulls. So according to the author, this clearly indicates that the celebration is a combination of pagan and Christian worship, because these are considered idols and paganism and idolatry. So this is our vlog for today, guys. Hope you've learned from this vlog, and if you think this vlog is informative and helpful and you gain knowledge from here, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, guys, and see you on our next video, guys.